today is very exciting and I decided to take you guys along with me. So I'm going live with Shoppers Beauty. Why is it so exciting, you ask? I started my career at Shoppers Beauty Boutique, and now they had asked me to host their Beauty Watch live event, which is really crazy. Like a huge deal for me. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so we have just arrived. It was a long drive, but I'm excited. I'm excited and I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna take you guys along. Check this out. I'm obsessed. Oh no, it's iconic. Do you guys want to say hi?
Yes, of course.
These are my girls today. How exciting is this?
Oh, it's so cool that you can.
Oh no, it literally moves with you, girl.
I love that.
Look at this.
That's
And
so
the lighting
cool.
here
Tech.
is insane.
Yeah.
I know, I'm so bougie. My first vlog ever.
Yeah. Oh, I love
It has to be this way. Here we go.
Let's do some long form. Sorry. Oh, I'm like, do it? Let's see what it looks like. It's fine.
Oh, a pink. Yeah.
Just for.
Okay, the show's about to start.
That's you.
Team Boutique.
That's why I wanted you to say it.
I started my career there and now we're doing this. I mean, this is such a huge milestone, you guys. And I could cry, like literally, I
Full
could cry.
circle.
It is such a full circle moment. And I love these products. I'm really excited to talk about it and share it with you guys.
How was it? Okay, guys. Your like skin, I was just like. I love it. Everyone in vision?
Okay,
Okay,
find
good.
your window. Yeah, there we go.
Find your window.
Okay, and everybody say honey.
Hi.
Awesome.
That was the coolest experience I've ever had, you guys. Like, that was so cool.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I went home, I quickly changed, did my makeup, and he's taking me out for dinner. I'm super excited, I'm very hungry. We're gonna go and celebrate this. It's such a huge deal for me, and we always love doing this. Whether it's big wins or small wins, you know, you gotta just celebrate it. So what are we getting good?
I'm gonna get the one that's not on the menu.
Okay, we're getting calamari. And then my margarita pizza.
Also asked me to let you know that they were mindful of the allergy to pork.
This is really good. So they make it here? Oh, this is why you love it so much? I hope you guys enjoyed. When do we do another one? Next week? Yeah, next week. I'll see you guys next week.